Find the world's most famous camera manufacturers. Several names pop up whenever the topic about the world's most famous camera manufacturers is mentioned. And this should be a good sign, as more and more options are available to consumers. This article will help you understand camera manufacturers so that you can learn how to choose the best camera for your needs. Kodak, once a giant in film camera manufacturing, embraced the digital camera trend a little too late. This accounts for the rough times the company is currently experiencing. While Kodak will always come first in the list of most famous camera manufacturers, its current business status signals its slow descent to losing its place in the category. Memorable phrases such as the Kodak moment, which has made Kodak a household name, might soon fade into oblivion. Japan's Fujifilm, on the other hand, has slowed down in manufacturing film cameras to venture into the more lucrative digital camera industry. Its trademark green color is still carried by the company though. Agfa, one of the leading camera manufacturers in the whole of Germany and Europe, has suffered huge losses over the transition to everything digital. It has resorted to selling its division on consumer imaging, which eventually ended up in bankruptcy. It has tried to manage its struggling business by attempting to split the company into 3 separate and publicly traded entities, but later withdrew from the plan. Agfa is allegedly broke, with all of its assets siphoned to pay off debts. Nikon, the company that innovated some notable improvements in camera technology, totally hugged the digital camera industry, abandoning the production of its film cameras. It is one of the more viable digital camera manufacturers surviving in the fierce competition. Konica, which manufactured the revolutionary Konica Minolta film cameras and has a long history in the industry dating back to 1873, is no more. It will be remembered for its superb single-lens reflex (SLR) camera designs and innovations. Sony has made noteworthy successes after promptly adapting to the digital trend. Not only does it manufacture quality pocket-sized digital cameras, but digital SLRs, DSLRs, as well. It has also ventured into the development of related video editing software applications such as the Sony Vegas. Canon is probably the most successful film camera manufacturer ever to ride the digital bandwagon. It has since produced end-user pocket-sized digital cameras, DSLRs, and even high-end digital video camcorders. Samsung of South Korea is one of the leading manufacturers and innovators of various electronic gadgets. Its founder started out a rice mill business which proved to be unprofitable, thus he ventured into several other businesses such as insurance, trucking, sugar production and a chain of retail stores. Samsung has then carved a significant place in the electronics industry, delving in constant research and development for continued improvement of its products. Samsung has since joined in the digital media craze, manufacturing outstanding but fairly priced digital cameras sold throughout the world.